Hi everybody, welcome to this video. Today's video I'm going to be showing you how to record the webcam portion of your session. You've received a home recording kit from Event Capture, and one PC is in there to record your slides. The other one is to record the webcam and the audio. So let's learn how to do that. The laptop that you want to use for the webcam should be clearly labeled as such. The other laptop will be labeled slides. So after you've logged into the speaker user, which there is no password for, so you're logged in here, the first thing we're going to do is launch Debut Video Capture Software. And I've already got my webcam set up on a ring light here. So check out our other instructional information about how to the different options on how to set that up. So everything is pretty much configured, but what I want you to do is first check on check everything is right. So let's open the options menu here, and first we will check that the webcam is selected. We want the laptop integrated webcam. If it says anything other than that, it's wrong. It shouldn't, but also we want 1280 by 720, 30 frames per second, MJPG. And then the next thing you're going to do is double check on your audio. So make sure that microphone tab is selected. The microphone we are using is the VEC GN-USB. You may have a different number here. That's just corresponding to which USB port you've plugged into, so don't worry about that number. As long as it is the VEC GN USB and not the Realtek internal microphone that exists on the laptop. That's not going to sound very good. Okay, and then the third step is your output tab, and here's where you're going to specify what the file is going to be named and where it's going to go. So it should already, by default, send you to the desktop recordings folder. Should you need to change that, you can. Desktop recordings should already be there. And then for the file name, so as you can see here, it's going to start with %YYYY %-. That is an auto number that's going to give you the current year. And so we're going to start using that auto number because Debut requires an auto number in the file name. So we'll start with that YYYY %-, and then it's your group. So it might be, whatever the association or the name of the conference you're in. There's several different clients, so put that in, then dash, then your last name. So in this case, I'll be Smith. And then if you're a part 1, part 2, part 3, if you're part of a multi-part session, go ahead and put the part number that you are so that we know to stitch that together as the first part, second part, etc. And then at the very end of the file name, dash cam. And that will differentiate us for the cam and the slide file so we can quickly edit these together. So then once you, if you're the only speaker in the session, just go ahead and erase that part. And that's what your file name will look like, of course, with your last name, with your group. So now we're all ready to go. So our settings are pre-configured, hit OK. And now we can kind of check the frame of our webcam and make sure that the audio is going. You want to kind of tap, make sure it's the right audio. If you tap on the laptop and it bounces a lot, that means you probably have the wrong microphone connected. But as long as you follow the steps and it says VEC GN USB, you should be good to go. Now about the framing, you want to have very little shadows on your face. I've actually turned the lights off in this room because there was too much light on my face with this ring light on. There's 3 different settings to it. Shoot. Messed it up now. There is a right now I have the mixed mode, so it's both daylight and warm light. So like that is just daylight, that is just warm light, and that is both. So actually I kind of like the way the warm light works. This is going to work in tandem with your room's natural lighting. So you kind of want to adjust, given your room's natural lighting. You kind of want to compensate for the type of light it does not have. So right now I have curtains over there letting in kind of a lot of natural light, which is daylight. It's kind of the bright white light. So I'm going to overcompensate by using the ring light on the warm setting, which is kind of orangish. You should be able to tell. So get the brightness right. You don't want to be overexposed. That's too much. Just bring it down until it's a happy medium. There's a lot of nice light on the face there. You don't want to be too far away. I'm very small in the frame. This is a really good frame right here. There's just a little bit of headroom, so you're not up above. You're not way down here. And now you're ready to record your webcam. So refer to the other instruction, the other video, to set up your slide recording so that you can record them both at the same time. And then once you have your slides configured, ready to record, you can hit record on both. So it will be very similar software. You just go ahead and hit record. It gives you a countdown. Okay, so now I'm ready to give my talk. I can give my talk, blah, blah, blah. Thank you very much for watching my talk. And the end. So now I can hit stop. It's going to prompt me, I can play it here or not. But I do want to check the recording to make sure it's good. So we'll go ahead and find it in the recordings folder. Double click on it. And at this point, you just want to make sure it's playing through from start to finish. And the file opens, you can hear it, you can see it. Good. Now you are ready to upload that file to our FTP. So if you go ahead and open up an internet browser. Said open up an internet browser. Okay, we'll try this one. And now we've given you the FTP info. So here, I'll just go ahead and give you an example. 7.9. And then you'd put in your credentials here. And then you would browse to upload the file, and you're just uploading all the recordings files to us. So as soon as you've uploaded everything here, let that run. It's going to take a while to upload. Let us know, so that way we can confirm that we can download the file and play the file before you pack up your kit and send it back to us. So once we verify that we can download the file, that's when we will send you your return shipping label. Until then, just kind of keep the stuff handy, wait for our shipping label to come through, then you can pack up the kit again. Okay, so this has been our video here. I hope it's been helpful, and happy recordings.